everyone, welcome back to the lab. Today we are learning to write the letter H. This is the cursive video, which means that we are learning to write the joined up version of the letter H. If you don't do joined up writing, then if you head over to my print playlist, you will find the non-joined up letter H there. So let's get started. First of all, we're going to trace it. Now, if you haven't got one to trace, don't worry, you can just copy what I'm doing. Then we're going to copy it. So we have this bit that goes up and down and up and around and flick. Then you're going to cover it up and have a go at writing it from memory. So we go up, down, up and around and flick. Finally, pop your pen in the start position, close your eyes and have a go at writing it. So I'm going up, down, up and around and flick. Brilliant, I'm very impressed with that. Keep practicing that until it feels easier. And when it does start to feel easier, then you're going to have a go at writing it on a line. Now my line here has got the middle zone shaded. If you're not sure what that is, go back and watch some of my earlier videos and I explain it. But the letter H is an upper zone letter. So this stick of this H stretches up into this upper zone here. Just like this. So it goes up, then it goes down, and then this round bit stays within the middle zone and flick. Up, down, up and around and flick. Up, down, up and around and flick. You follow what I'm doing, see if you can make yours look like mine. Up, down, up and around and flick. And you're just going to keep practicing that until it starts to feel easier. If it feels a bit tricky to start with, please don't worry, because our hands have a magical way of learning how to write these things. So it will get easier the more you practice it. Once it does feel easier, or if you want a challenge, see if you can say the letter sound and the letter name when you write it. So, is H, is H. Now, one last thing I want to show you before we go is that if you don't make the stick of your H stretch up into the upper zone, it looks like another letter. Here we go, look. I'm just keeping it within the middle zone. What letter does that look like? It looks like an N. So it's really important that that stick of that letter H stretches all the way up into the upper zone. And then this round bit here stays within that middle zone. Because what I don't want you to do is do a fantastic piece of writing and then someone look and go, oh, I don't know what that letter is. So make sure your H looks like a H. It's got that nice tall stick and it doesn't look like an N. Right, you have been a writing superstar today. If you've enjoyed this lesson, hit that subscribe button and I will see you again next week. Bye.